What are some of the sounds of labor? The sounds that the laboring woman makes. There aren't any right or wrong sounds. Sometimes the room can be quite quiet. Sometimes, many times, we hear the woman's breath, and it really turns out to be our focus, because we can tell when she's experiencing a period of rest and when she's experiencing a surge. Sometimes in the early part of labor, the woman will in fact be talking straight through the contraction or the surge. And then as things intensify, I've, in the several hundred births that I've been at as a doula, noticed that her breathing will get more intense. And so you can tell her focus is narrowing to her physical experience or maybe whatever else is happening within her. So the sounds of her breath will be more obvious. And sometimes women really enjoy an extended exhale that can be just a whisper or a hush of an exhale. Kind of a hiss of an exhale. And sometimes they add a sound to it, so it sounds more like what you might call a moan, just breathing in. And then, just such a calming sound. I mean, we practice bee breath with our kids, like that humming vibration on the exhale is a calming self-regulation technique. I think women have found it naturally forever. And then those sounds can intensify, but they don't have to. Sometimes culturally, I've noted that women are absolutely silent, because of culture or not, just that's what they feel to do. And sometimes I know people told me that I was vocalizing a lot, moaning a lot, and this is encouraged but not expected. So when things get intense, the sounds could be like or any variation on that theme. Yeah. Enjoy your day.